Hello, today we are going to learn something super useful, perimeter and area. And I promise it is going to be very simple. Imagine you have a beautiful garden at your home. Now think, if you want to put a fence all around the garden, what do you need to measure? Think. Yes, the distance around it. And that is called perimeter. Perimeter simply means the total distance around the boundary of a city. Let's say the garden is 12-meter long and 8-meter wide. So, since the rectangular has four sides, we add them. How we will add? 12, 8, 12, 8, and that is 40 meters. That means you need 40 meter of fencing to cover the boundary. How much fencing you need? 40 meters. Now let's think differently. What if you want to plant grass inside the garden? What do you need to measure? Hmm, Now, you are not measuring around, you are measuring space inside, and that is called area. For a rectangular, area is nothing but length into width. And so here, 12 is length and 8 is width. So 12 into 8, that is 96. This area is 96 square meter. So square meter means we are not measuring the distance, we are measuring the space. So remember this simple trick. Perimeter means distance around and area means space inside. And perimeter is for fencing if you want to do fencing and area is for planting. That's it.